ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಸಾಲಾ ಚಾಯ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕೆಲವು ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಟೀ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಹರ್ಷ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು. ಅವರು ಯುನೀಕಾಗಿ ಟೀ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓಡ್ತಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ರೀಸನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು BBMP ಅವರು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಫೋನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತಾ ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಹರ್ಷ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗಂತೂ ನೋಡಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ತುಂಬ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈಗಲೂ. ಏನಾಯಿತು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ. ಬನ್ನಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹರ್ಷ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರು ಟೀ ಶಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಟೀ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನು ಏನಂದರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡನು. ನಾನೀಗ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅದೇನೋ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಮೆಟ್ ಯು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಶಾಪ್, after a few days you suddenly disappeared. What happened?
What happened is that suddenly some people came and told you don't have permission, you don't have to do like that, you have to go from there like that.
Okay.
So they put in my things and all.
Okay.
So that's why I have to stop there.
I heard you lost your like setup as well, like key setup completely.
I closed the shop and just after tomorrow morning after one day morning I go to there and I find there's nothing like that. They said, people said BBMP has taken your thing. One said, but I don't have clear idea. I go to BBMP office also.
Oh, you ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ ನೀವು?
But that officer said no, I don't take it. But beside this vegetable shop person tell, they were taken.
No,
I have no clear idea.
I don't think BBMP would have taken it. I think it is someone else.
I don't have idea who have taken it.
Correct. So ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you didn't try again, like?
Yeah, I find I found many places. I'm searching for places actually, but I can't get a good place where I can scale up. I find my many places here and there, searching many times, 15 or 20 or 1 month I am searching, but I can't find a suitable place for that. So I decided that time to stop that and continue my studies also.
Okay, actually many people asked us, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್. Many people are saying because the way you were talking in English.
Last year I passed my 12th.
So you cleared your 12th exam?
Yeah, last year.
Okay. So now pursuing what next?
My aim is to qualify NEET and to become a doctor.
Wow. See, Dr. Harsh. So you want to become a doctor?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Feels so good. So you are preparing for it?
Yeah. Right now I am preparing for that. at that time means I have a much lesser number of fundings, you know. That's why I'm starting that for, so that I thought at that time to set up a, I can scale up in I think 4 to 6 or 7 months and go somewhere in a mall or some. I can scale up. I hire a someone manager and I escape out from then. I'm doing studying and I have means, you know, monthly wise funding means for money.
Oh,
But after means doing work 2 to 3 months, I came to know that it takes means much longer time, you know, 4 to 5, 6 years in that if I want to scale up in a, you know, that kind of. But I can't do that. Means I have to be a doctor, so I have to means I can do that in my life, but I can't do that.
so even before you were setting up your business, you had plans of studies, huh?
Yeah.
So your passion is to become doctor.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the best.
Thanks.
That's why you are mentioning a lot of medical terms while making the tea. I remember you were talking something about the what is that, mud
Yeah.
mud what?
The
Mud bowl.
alkaline nature.
Alkaline nature.
The higher pH level, you know, it's good.
Awesome. You said you wrote NEET exam just last week.
Yeah. At 12th September there was NEET, you know.
Okay.
I wrote that, but I means for very little margin I can't clear it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are a bit disappointed.
Yeah.
But
I can clear, but very for a little, very little I
Oh, you
am not
missed the
selected. Yeah.
seat.
Yeah.
So if you
I-
write NEET, you will get government quota or something.
Yeah.
There won't be any fee.
No.
I heard studying medical is too costly.
Yeah, if you go to private, then it costs 85 lakhs, 90 lakhs, or 95 lakhs, or even more also. Either 1.5 CR crore also if you go for that.
Oh.
That's why expensive.
But if we go through,
If you qualified NEET, then there's nothing.
oh, it's free education by government. You missed it with
Yeah.
thin margin.
Yeah, that so again this is 5 days before I give this is
Okay.
when I have something and now I decided to I made for a very little, so it appears it NEET was there I think in May next year also.
Next May you are
After
going
6
to.
months I think so I think why can't I give once more? Then why can't I try once more? I tried for 2-3 times, but once more this time I can clear. Means, you know, I made for a very little.
Hmm. So how was your business, tea business actually? Like why did you choose like tea making business?
Tea making business I can choose because it can connect. You know, Indians drink tea every time. It's in every
If you
occasion.
find someone like me, you will be like crorepati very soon because I drink a lot of tea.
That's why I choose tea business. Every morning, evening, and every pussy and gum, you know.
It's like an addiction.
That's why Indian means tea. That's why
I agree with you on that. So you did a lot of research. You are not drinking tea, man. I'm sure it is not as good as you make, but we have tried our level best.
No, it's fine.
So you did a lot of research on tea
Yeah.
making.
Yeah.
Okay. So how profitable it was?
Yeah, it was profitable.
It was
Profitable, but I can't do that. Means people go from here.
okay.
If I can continue, I can make a good profit.
Okay, since you have stopped making tea, I would get into little more detail. So how much you are earning per month? I know we should not ask this question,
Yeah,
but
no problem. I know.
maybe this would help others who are like willing to take up this venture.
Yeah. I mean, I do it only for I think 20 days. Not I don't do for a month also. And daily it was increasing. I was at first I sell only 2 tea first day, then second 5 tea, 10 tea. Yeah, it was like that. I am on in growing phase also. At that time I was exhibited from there.
Oh. So how was the response
The
post
response
video?
was quite good. Means
So
very
how,
good.
did our video help in any way?
Yeah. Many people come after seeing video, tell, I see video and come. Like,
What next, man? So
you have to be a doctor. I was fascinated about that. I'm very much fascinated about that.
okay. So a lot of people were asking that they are interested in funding your tea venture. So do you want to say anything about that?
At this point of time, I am shifted toward.
Okay. Education.
Yeah.
So currently, as it
I
is,
tried at that time. I tried. Many people come also, but at online basis they come and tell. But when in practicality they are tomorrow, anything you want to do, anything in life, you have to be much passionate about that. You have to do and only do. But people are.
okay. So currently, you are not looking for any collaboration or anything.
I have a bigger picture in, I have to be a doctor and, starting in my hospital and something like that, some Narayana hospital, Sethi was, Dr. Sethi was doing heart operation surgery, only 1 rupee or something like that. Man, scale up his business and man, as a multi-millionaire and billionaire, I have such kind of.
His vision, his goal is very, very big.
Thank you very much. Your response was quite amazing. I can't think of that amazing response. You give very much quite response. Thank you very much for that.
Your video is still one of the popular videos on our YouTube channel. It is still growing well, and it is getting very good response from across the world. There are many people who are commenting us from Philippines, Sri Lanka, and many other several places. So
Thank you very much for
Yeah.
that response.
Yeah. So how are you managing your finances as you are not working?
I have my previous savings a little bit. I have to compromise many things for me because I am not working. I have to study always. I can't work. If I have no time for work.
Okay.
That's why many things problem happen.
Correct.
In absence of money, I have to everything because books and all. Also, I have to a little bit expensive also.
Correct.
And if you are working, it's no problem. But you are not. This is the problem of preparation. You can't work, and means it's zero from there. Incoming is zero, and only outgoing means your.
We will mention account details of Harsh in the description if anyone is willing to help him. So please feel free to help him. All right. We wish you all the best.
Thanks.
We hope we will talk to Harsh again as a medical student maybe in few years, and post the education he'll be Dr. Harsh, we can call him.
Thanks.
So we wish you all the best, and we hope all your dreams come true.
Thank you.
So we, on behalf of our Masala Chai Media, our prayers are with you.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much, Harsh. So that's all from today's video. We'll again meet in the next video. Bye bye.